You already know we going crazy, bro. Today we got a Supreme box logo review for y'all. This came in the mail a couple days ago, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And I think it's about time that I film this review, see what it feels like in hand. Honestly, I've been hearing mixed shit. A lot of people officially saying Supreme is dead, boom, boom. Resale ain't even there, boom, boom. But some people might still wanna buy this shit, you feel me? So it is what it is. We here today with another banger. If y'all end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel, comment some video ideas. Y'all already see the consistency. We going crazy, bro. So for that shit alone, leave a like on this one. It's free. It's not a subscription where you gotta pay nothing. Literally takes 1 second, bro. All you gotta do is leave a like. Whoa, 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 whoa. If y'all trying to support my brand, Nori, which is coming real soon, video on my whole story for my brand is coming. Y'all don't want to miss it. So make sure you sign up on onenori.co. Put your email in, that way you're notified whenever we drop. You feel me? Y'all already know the vibes. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. Promise myself that this year I wouldn't be going too crazy with Supreme, because low-key I got bigger fish to fry, you feel me? We can all understand that. Life gets in the way, we got more shit to do, and I still catch myself going for Supreme. We got a regular box logo. Literally, they've been so stingy with the stickers, bro. Shit get me tight, bro. No more free gifts from Supreme. I might make a full dedicated video on Supreme is actually dead, bro. Like, it's dead. No more free gifts, none of that shit. Like, we were talking about it on the live the other day, and it just kind of sucks, bro, because I remember what it was and seeing what it is now. It's whatever, to be honest. We deadass got one box logo sticker, and inside here we got the inside out Supreme box logo sweater. I'm actually gonna pull this one out because I might end up keeping it. Resale isn't even there, so you feel me? There's no point in even keeping this DS. This is deadass an inside out sweater, bro. Like, the fuzz is on the outside type shit. It almost looks like a Supreme motion logo. Am I tripping? Let me know in the comments. If y'all were feeling this one, it's pretty hard, bro. It's almost like a Sherpa fleece type material. On the other side, you do have the regular BOGO vibes. Give y'all a little close up right there. I am gonna flip this one in a little bit just so we could take a look at the other side. If y'all have a Supreme hoodie right now, this is literally what the inside of the hoodie feels like. Something a little bit different. On the other side, this one actually does have white, and had I known that the olive one was gonna be so hard, probably would have went for that one. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but that might have made me take the L, so can't complain. This is what it looks like on the black side, and this is what it looks like inside out. Honestly, this side is a banger, bro. It almost gives me CDG Supreme for some reason. I kind of like the black thread on there. One gripe I do have is the tag being on the back. On this side, it do look kind of fire. You got the black cuffs at the bottom, black hood, and then you got that Supreme right there. A lot of people are actually sleeping on this hoodie, and I don't know why, bro. Maybe it is because Supreme is dead. Who knows? I feel like this is a banger hoodie. They could have done a couple things to make it a better reversible piece though. Had this had pockets on this side as well, that would have been hard. I guess this you can't really do anything about because it does need the tag with the size and shit. Maybe they could have put it on the inside of the pocket. That would have been hard, so you don't see it, you feel me? That would have been hard. Nonetheless, this is a fire hoodie. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for y'all real quick. I guess I'll try it like this first to save some time. This is what it looks like right here. You got that black hood with that Supreme box logo on it. One gripe on it is the tags right here, you feel me? I could go without that, but if you have the hood down, they wouldn't even notice that shit, you feel me? You just can't put your hood up. I would honestly tuck the strings because they look a little weird popping out, but let me know if y'all feeling this side. Honestly, I think this shit is hard as bro. This is definitely a banger. Like, it's a sleeper. A lot of people are gonna look back at this when Supreme comes back into mainstream. I like the stitching being in black. I know it's a little weird for some people, but for me, it's not bothering me, bro. Like I said, I feel like if it had pockets on the outside, that would have been clean. It would have made it like a more versatile, reversible piece. If I do wear this, I'll make sure that I don't put the hood on because I do not want people to see like the fucking size tag on the back. But this is what the inverted box logo looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it to the black side and just show y'all, you feel me, some close-ups real quick. Boom, that's what it looking like right there. This is what the black hoodie looks like on the inverted side, I guess you would say. Definitely clean. I feel like that olive is gonna look sexy, bro. Damn. Hey, this is what I got. Shout out to me, low-key, for being able to hit this past week. This is what it's actually supposed to look like. It's not bad, you feel me? An everyday little hoodie. Boom, you cannot go wrong with this one. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Y'all may hate me for this, but it's probably one of my favorite box logos. I love the simplicity of of it. People don't like it, so it makes me like it more. It has a little subtle box logo on it, nothing too crazy with vibrant colors and nothing like that, at least in the colorway that I got it in. And the reverse side actually surprised me a lot. I feel like that gray with the black pops crazy. I love the stitching on it, black hood, cuffs, and ribbing around the bottom. It just definitely looks clean, bro. I can't be the only one that likes this box logo. For all the Supreme heads that have been buying Supreme for years, let me know how y'all feel about this one. I know resale might not be there, hype might not be there, but for some of us that doesn't even matter, bro. Like, that doesn't play a factor in whether I like this piece or not. It's kind of crazy, but this is one of the hoodies that I would recommend y'all to go out and buy. If you don't have a box logo and you still want one, this is probably one of the better ones, bro. You could flip it inside out. It has more versatility. It's more subtle for some of the colorways. Resale is damn near retail plus $30 on top, which is literally nothing. Y'all already know how box logos used to be back in the day. And it does also go to say that Supreme might be dying a little bit, and that's cool, you feel me? Some of the cult people who actually love Supreme are gonna keep buying Supreme. For me, obviously, I'm a little more selective. I don't need to multiply how much shit I have behind me, so I'm picking and choosing, but this is one of those pieces that I definitely needed to pick up. I'm so excited that I decided to go for it. Slight bars. I would honestly rate this hoodie 8 out of 10, maybe a fucking 9 out of 10. The only thing I would change is the tag. I would probably put that inside the pocket to make it a more wearable, reversible piece, but like I said, if you keep your hood down, you should be straight. And I also would have made pockets on the other side of the hoodie. That would have been fucking genius. Come on, bro. But that might be a little extra as far as production goes. Honestly, this hoodie is a banger. Let me know if y'all feeling this one, at least from what it looks like on camera. Beautiful piece, and I don't feel like they're gonna be making fakes of this. I don't see why they would, but then again, this is a close-up of what it actually looks like in case y'all trying to go ahead and cop online, you feel me? At this point, I would probably just buy it from like StockX or some shit. They ain't even taxing, so might as well. It ain't even that serious, but this is clean ass hoodie. If y'all enjoyed this one, man, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let me know what else y'all would like to see on the channel, whether it's sneakers, vlogs, whatever y'all want to see, brand content, which is coming soon, God willing. We going crazy, bro. I promise y'all, this year is our fucking year. It's about time to pop, and I'm not gonna stop till we do. It is what it is, bro. I hope y'all are able to achieve any dream that you have. As long as you stay persistent, you are able to achieve whatever it is that you set your mind to. I know it's been working for me, and I know it could work for you, bro. Don't ever let anything come between you and your dreams, bro. You're literally the only person who determines what your outcome is, and it's something that I realized in my personal life as well, because I'm thinking like, bro, when is my big break gonna come? But as soon as you realize that your big break is literally happening right now, as long as you chase that shit, your whole life will change, bro. But that's all I gotta say. If y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. I love you. Let me get you a big smooch. Oh, y'all ain't gonna catch me slipping. I love y'all though, for real.